Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use an amazing AI tool called Mixo for building a landing page, or you have an idea to build a website and you're not sure how it should look like, or a landing page. So it is an amazing tool, and let's get started. So I will put the link for this website in the description part of this video, and feel free to check it out. Again, I'm not affiliated to this website, so something that I used before to just have an idea how to create landing page and more make it professional. So then let's get started. So the first thing that they will ask you, what's your startup idea? For instance, and for this example, my startup idea is to build an app that you can find like a travel buddy. So I'll just I already wrote this before, so don't waste your time, guys. So this is my idea that I wanna that I have, and then I'm clicking on continue. Plus, what's the goal for this page that you're creating? So for instance, I wanna get like subscribers, collect their emails, so I will choose the first one, but you have a few other choices that you can choose from, and I think you can also change the language from here, but for this example keep it English. So I'm choosing the first option, and then I'm clicking on generate. So this will take a few seconds to generate the website, the landing page, which is pretty amazing. Like, I can't even believe nowadays we can create the whole landing page by just one prompt. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool where we're going with the AI and with the website builders. So now this is my website. They already this is the landing page that they created for now. Again, everything is customizable. You see here, from the text to the pictures. To have more access to the customization, you need to pay for it. So I'm gonna save and continue. Click on this option, and after clicking this option, I will see their plan for, like, if you wanna subscribe for 4 months, if you wanna pay for 4 months, or not for 4 months, sorry, $4 per month or $10 per month. So I won't pay for it now. Since it's just showing me how to use it. So from here I can just click on the side to show you how it works. Again, if you're interested in, if you like the page how they created, you can go for it and use the basic or growth site, or whatever is works for you guys. So I'm gonna choose this, click on the sites, and now I can edit the site from here. So I'm clicking on edit the site, and from here I will be able to edit the stuff. So I can edit the homepage, which this will be the homepage that I will be having for this landing page, and I can change the header, add header, or they also have more things as well for search engine optimization, which is amazing. And plus, you can also change the other part as well. Like, everything is editable, and you can customize it however you want, which is pretty amazing. So for instance, if I go to the hero section, so hero section is the top of your page, so find your perfect travel buddy. So if I click on the hero section, and here I can literally change the text here. So for instance, I can write, instead of like travel buddy, I can just like come with a name. Let's say stay meet, for instance. This could be like my app call. So stay meet, you see it already changes here. So same with the picture. Like, if I didn't like this one, I can upload a new one from my local computer or YouTube or whatever you might be interested in. And then it's pretty cool that they also giving you an option to edit it as much as you can. Search description is also customizable, and again, when you're done with the website, you could publish it. And in order to use your custom domain, you need to upgrade it. So that's something that you should pay for it in order to have it. But if you guys want to know how to use and how to buy the custom domain, just let me know on the description part of the video. Would love to help you with that. And it's not as hard as you might think. You can buy it from GoDaddy or Ostinger. I use a lot of time GoDaddy because I think it's very straightforward to use, and I like their service. I've been using now for like the past 3 years and I haven't experienced any issue with it. So yeah, I mean, this week I want to share with you about Mixo. I think it's great to know about this website. Like for instance, if you have an idea, to build something and you really want to build like a landing page, you just write your prompt, like what's your idea, and then they will create the whole website for you. So which is an amazing, I can't believe that we can do this now in one prompt instead of like building it like by using CSS, HTML, which is like a basic styling. You can like use you can build website by using like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and other coding languages. But nowadays with one prompt we can create the whole website. It's crazy. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will be trying to come with great videos. When you're done with the website, you can just click on publish, and then you'll be able to publish the website. Upgrade required. Your site has 3 pages, but your current plan only allows for 1 page. So since for 1 page you can use for free, I think, but having like 3 pages, you have to upgrade it to the premium or the basic plan. So yeah, thanks for watching it, appreciate it, and see you in the next video.